Hey guys, today I will be unboxing MOJ MOJ minis. 30 plus to collect and trade. There's one packet. Look at the wrapper, it looks so interesting. Looks like we got a blue one. Let's open it. This is hard a little. We may have to get scissors. This is where we're supposed to open. I got it. Let's open. Here's what we got. We got stickers. It's very cool. Don't know what this is. Do not know. Here's the collector's guide. There's 30 to collect and trade, like we said. And you can open it. There's Popconics, Foodies, Dotted Duo, Zoo Squad, Adorbs. Wait, is that the Ops? I think that says opposites. It's open. I'm going to get my scissors. Got these scissors today. They're supposed to be squishies. We got pink. I love pink. We got to see one of that sticker. It's so cool. We got this golden elephant. It's like a unicorn tiger. Let's see what we got. Is it on here? It has to be on here then. So it looks like we got the star. I don't know what that means. This is serious star. I have no idea what that means. If it's a star, maybe it's a rare. It's that one right here. I have no idea. It could be. It's that one right there. It's not that one. It's this one. It may look alike. Because it has the gold elephant. Wait, where did the gold elephant go? Here it is. But I think we got a rare. Here's what we can squish. Squishy. So squishy. I love the elephant that's inside. Wait, it's disappearing again. It came back. I think this right here. Oh, I think it goes to this. For a bracelet or something. A keychain. I don't know. Wait, it might be. Here's the stickers that I got. I got the same exact one. I really like this because it's like a unicorn. Let's see this. What I would like to get next time. I really like this. I think it's a panda. And I would love to get this taco cupcake. I basically love everything but the ones I really want to get badly. I really like this deer. I think this one looks identical. It's the unicorn not in the tiger suit. Let's open this one now. Can you put that away? This is the Squishy Mushy Baby Besties. This might be complicated too. It's Series 1. I don't know where you start to open it. I'm just going to open. Maybe it's at the bottom. It could be at the bottom. Here it is. I'm pretty sure this is where it's supposed to open. Yeah, you're going to open from the bottom. You can't open it. It's hard. Really, really hard. I don't know. Is this where you open it? Is it? Let's check out this because I do not know how to open that one. Squishy mushy. Very cute. Golden elephant. Let's try to open this again. I can't. Just can't. But I love the packaging. Really cute. I think we'll open this in the next video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!